This man is Ali Abdaal, who is a genius and graduated from Cambridge University. He has more than 5 million followers on his social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. He graduated as a doctor, and because he made more than $4 million online, so he stopped his medical profession and started his full-time journey on YouTube and teaching online. And what I love about his content is his videos are perfectly simplistic. And if you watch my previous video, I have copied his animation and editing style, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can also learn and edit like this big YouTuber Ali Abdaal. I do not recommend to fully copy someone's style. I would prefer to take inspiration and make your own style. Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to break down Ali's content. So we're going to talk about the Ali's video editing skills, the VFX he uses, the animation he uses, the sound effects. So stick around till the end of the video in Ali's style. So let's talk about one of the most important thing, which is Ali's look. You know what you're gonna get when you open Ali's video. It's gonna be very clean, professional. It's gonna be with bright colors, and the video is gonna be very sophisticated. And Ali is gonna wear very simple clothes like hoodies and shirts. So Ali used bright lights, which cost a lot of money, which I don't have, so I'm going to skip that. The thing that Ali does is he sits in front of the table and he's covering most part of the body to record his video. Hey, I also am going to upload video like Ali in the next video. So if you want to get notified, subscribe and press the bell icon. And the next thing that Ali does is he puts shelves in the back and use lights to make video more interesting. And he also used top-down method to record video. Don't have equipment for that. I'm going to use this tripod stand and this camera which I'm using right now. It's not going to be same, but it still works. Now we will discuss the most important part, which is going to be the structure of the script, which is the first opening statement, then the outline, which is going to be first, second, third, fourth, and then there will be conclusion. Now let's move on to the editing style, which is pretty simplistic. Ali is a Mac user, that's why he used Final Cut Pro to edit his videos. But do not worry, I'm going to use CapCut to edit the videos, and I'm going to teach you in CapCut. So do not worry, it is also mentioned in the title. So the first thing that Ali does is his pacing. He cuts out all the stops to make his video much smoother. He sometimes cut manually and he sometimes do it fast cut. He also zooms in video to make video much better. He does it manually sometimes or use some animation. And to make video much more interesting, he used b-rolls like showing books or tablets and use top-down method as I have mentioned before. In his new videos, you will see Ali in a box-like shape, which is very easy to do in CapCut. But I will remind you, CapCut is not same as powerful as Premiere Pro. It has some limitations, so we will be not able to do everything in CapCut like Premiere Pro. So let's do it now on CapCut. What you need to do is open CapCut, put one video on timeline and put second video on timeline, put one video on another, and then what you need to do is decrease one size of the video, change the position of video on another, and then go to mask, click on rectangle. If you want shape in rectangle, you can choose that, circle, star, heart, whatever you want. Then full screen and play. So as you can see, I am on both screens, same like Ali Abdaal. Now the second thing you may have seen on his video would be the pop-ups. Now it's very easy to do. You just need to import the pop-ups. You can download it from website. I will put the link in the description. You can go there and download it. I already have downloaded in my file, so I'm gonna use that. So I'm going to use Instagram and I'm gonna paste it on the timeline above the video, and after that you can see that my Instagram is showing. You can decrease the size or change the position anywhere you want, and then you can go to animation and choose animation you want for this video. I will choose pendulum 1 or subtle wave. You can choose whatever animation you want for your video. It's very easy to do. Now you may have seen a simple transition in Ali's video. It is very easy to do in CapCut. All you need to do is just go to your CapCut and put transition, RGB transition on your timeline, and that's it. It's very easy to do. Now, well, Ali editing is over. Now let's talk about the sounds that Ali used. Ali used epidemic sounds for his video, like piano or instrumental sound. So I don't have budget for that, so I will use free sounds from YouTube, or I will download free from Google. And second, may have listened some sound effects like pop-ups, typing, or whoosh. You can easily get that from CapCut, or you can easily download for free on Google. Now we will look how Ali market his thumbnails. He really use simple pictures like I'm sitting right now, and he will use flat icons that he will paste on his pictures that really looks good. I really like those thumbnails. You can also do that very easily. You can just download flat icons from internet for free. And let's talk about the title. Now when it comes to title, he will use simple titles like 9 passive income ideas, 21 life lessons for teenagers, and how I type really fast. So when you look at the titles, you will see that these titles are very simple and are for very specific audience. Though for those people who want to increase their productivity, they will click on the link, or they will click on the title or thumbnail, and they will open the video and they will watch it because they want to be more productive. And the keywords that he used, like how to be more productive, it will help him to increase his SEO score. And you can also use this tip to increase your search engine organization of your YouTube channel. Thank you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I will see you in next video.